Assalamu alaikum, and it is a very pleasant morning here in Ashifa. The sky is very clear and we cannot see any clouds, so it is better not to visit Jabal Taka Peak today because we love the peak only when it is covered with clouds. We are heading to Al Muhammadiyah viewpoint, which is opposite to Jabal Taka, from where I will show you Jabal Taka Peak. Now we are at Al Muhammadiyah viewpoint, and yes, it is another beautiful campsite in Ashifa, but I don't have any idea why many tracks to the valley is protected with fences. Maybe there are some private properties or gardens for which they have applied these fences. No one is here at this time in the morning except some wild dogs. We are not going deep into the valley now, but inshallah I will try to go there at any later time. You can see Jabal Taka Peak on the left side, and now I'm on my way to explore Al Masad Dam and Ward Al Shifa, which seems a rose product store or rose garden into the valley. The surroundings are now giving me a feeling that I'm going to explore another hidden beauty of Ashifa, inshallah. Finally, I'm at the location of Al Masad Dam. I have parked my car on the roadside, and now I have to hike few meters to have a complete view of the dam. It doesn't look like a dam, instead is a natural water reservoir which stores rainwater, which is then used to irrigate the surrounding areas, especially the rose gardens. Water level is a bit low just because it did not rain for some time across Saudi Arabia. Let's go to the Ward Al Shifa store, which is close to this place. You can see in the video these are the rose gardens, but unfortunately we are here at a time when roses have been already plucked from the plants, and farmers are now preparing for another season. Now we are at Ward Al Shifa, which I was thinking a rose product store only, but in reality it is a rose product factory with factory outlet beside it. I came here too early that neither the factory nor outlet are open, but when I talked to a Pakistani worker here, he allowed me to visit the dam and Ward Al Shifa rose garden at the back of the factory. However, we are allowed to visit the valley and garden. The caretaker has already informed us that there would be no roses in the garden because they have already been harvested to be processed in the factory, and new roses will grow in 2 months period. Look at this dam, guys. It is one of the biggest and very beautiful dam I have seen in Ashifa so far. Rose garden is there deep into the valley, and now we shall go there. This is one of the gardens owned by Ward Al Shifa, but as that Pakistani guy told us, it is without roses this time. You can see the stairs, which is to facilitate those visitors who want to see the gardens without going into the valley. But we are not of that kind. We are adventure lovers, so obviously we shall not go by these stairs. Instead, shall walk up to the dam again and then go to the factory. Upon reaching the top, I shall take you to the factory to describe how they are producing rose products locally. and to the outlet to show their product range in my next video. Stay tuned with me.